Hi. This is me editing. If you did not come from part one of my NCT catch-up that I was doing, this will serve as my intro, I suppose. So, hey Rubies, how you doing? Happy Saturday. I recorded this like 2 weeks ago, but have been unable to get it up because of copyright issues. As I'm sure you've noticed, I am not much of a pauser in my reaction, so it's displeased the copyright. So I've had to split this into two parts. If you're seeing this video, then you know that I'm reacting to Mark's 200 release, NCT Dream and NCT Wish in this reaction. And part one is Do Young's solo release, and then Wavy's most recent comeback with Give Me That, and She a Wolf. So if you're interested in that, you can go see that video. It should be linked up above or definitely at the end of this video. As always, my links are down in the description. Like this video if you like this video, comment, subscribe, I appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Next, we have Mr. Mark Lee, 200. From what I understand, this is the lead up to his solo debut, which I believe is set for February of next year. And he did open up a separate Instagram account for this, and it's more of his, it's Minhyung, not Mark. So this is from the other part of himself. So I'm excited to get into this. I know it's a bit different from what we got with Golden Hour and Child. He'll probably be doing more singing from the looks of it.
First you crashed into my life and you just broke my roof and my window, girl, you had me shook. 난 또 살고 있어 머릿속 drama. Who told me love would come down like a million rocks? The rock you came with was an alibi.
So this is more like Child.
Well, second cap 또 갈아 속잖아.
He did think I mentioned that. Homie is on this treadmill. This is set up for what his album's gonna sound like. Like I said with Do Young, I like this sound, so whether he does rap or not, we're seated.
저기 두 쪽 무슨 나타나 1초 만에 I will drop hop on top of this tower show you a higher potential 좀 누릴 게임 참 많아 the world ain't ready yet trust me
Oh, I love that shot of him in the mirror.
I could tell you're just like I am a million different stars but you're the one into my life and you just broke my roof and my window, girl, you had me shook. 난 또 살고 있어.
Oh, he's taking full-on Spider Mark lore. His fans. Oh, he's got like Tobey Maguire. He doesn't have cartridges. There is it.
You will always feel alone. When I'm lost, you got me home. Yeah, you are home.
Just in time for summer. All of these so far have been great. And like everything he does, I'm sure it'll be of impeccable quality. I'm trying to get the web shooter to work. There you go. Oh, it's it. Okay. The song. Okay, the song's only like 2 minutes. There's something at the end here. Oh. Okay, yeah. Not the house, hold on, Wish. Woo. Okay. He recently just had a collab with Big Naughty, I believe, too. been a good day, been a good beginning, a good 2024. To be an in citizen, and we've got Jaehyun's solo album coming in August. So music, man, we just get. Oh, and NCT is coming back this upcoming month in July. So we're eating. It's fantastic. I'm excited. But yeah, I like that a lot. I finally get to add it to my playlist because I wanted to film for this and that. So yes. Next is NCT Wish. They are back after Wish in February, their debut. So this will be their first comeback since that debut. I liked Wish a lot. From the teasers, it looks like we're still with their little Cupid theme, which I think is just going to be a baseline for them for now. But I'm excited to hear this. I've avoided all like audio spoilers and stuff on my timeline. The teaser pictures were very cute, them on sitting on the flowers and stuff, and it looks like they'll be like delivery men is what I'm seeing. But yeah, so I'm excited to hear this. I do not have a bias in this unit, but these guys, I am just excited to see where they go. So this is Songbird. Okay, we're in HD. Songbird Express. Airmail. That's a game. I hope it's not like Monopoly, gentlemen. So they're at their school, the Cupid Academy. On break, I guess. That's cute. So they're like... What in the Alice in Wonderland is going on, sir?
Feels good.
Like NASA, kind of. I'm just confused. They did not come to play this guitar. The harmonies, they already... I'm sorry. Oh, hello. I'm sorry. They said we were gonna climb the scale and go back. Oh, Riku. This little Latin guitar, I love it. Your job is to deliver happiness, right? I believe is what the instruction card said about the game. She on thingy check. Little callbacks to Hands Up and Wish, sort of, to me. Maybe so more Hands Up. They are going crazy with these harmonies. I love it so much. This little minor, like, music box sound. I haven't seen enough Jaehee. I hear him, but I haven't seen him. Get down.
Little Songbird, little Songbird, little Songbird.
Oh.
Yeah, little Songbird.
Oh. Okay. Oh yeah, they deliver wishes or happiness. Nah, he fell asleep. we're just not gonna question it, honey. Good job. I love that. Oh. Oh, so this is the second song off of the this is a mini. They haven't done a full. This is a mini, isn't it? Or is it still a single? I will have to double check my information. I thought this was another version of Songbird. I'm mistaken. This is the other track on the that I noticed on the album. Okay. And they just released it this morning. So, yeah, I'm excited. I liked Songbird a lot. I could hear Jaehee. I would love to see more of him in the music video. But their harmonies, I loved everything about that. The little Latin, I love that sound. That's gonna get a lot of listens. Do I like that over Wish? I don't know. They might be level for me as far as their title tracks go. But I did love that a lot. Again, in time for the summer. We're good. We're great. But I'm excited to hear Tears Are Falling. And this is the Korean version. We may not have. Hello. Okay, I was about to say we may not have subtitles, but no, because it was just uploaded and play. So lucky. Yushi. That's a great shot of Shion, that's why it's the thumbnail. This reminds me of We Go.
Listen to my sweeter beat 바꿔 나갈 테니까
Yes, let me give you a fun song. Oh. Let's go. This is so cute. It's so cute. I appreciate Boa and the Wishes team, they're part of Neo Center, for keeping. Here they go with these harmonies again. They sound great. Their concepts, age appropriate. It's been. Oh, okay. That was short. I wonder if the song is actually that. Actually, I will pause it here because next is NCT Dream. I appreciate them for keeping them, age appropriate without it being, it's youthful, it's fresh, it's summer, without it being like childish. It's not childish, it's just very youthful. But that was so good. That was a very cute little fun video for the summer because we're in the dead of it. But next is NCT Dream. Smoothie, that whole mini album. The whole thing, it top to bottom, I loved it. An honor to see them grow. I'm actually going to see them in September, so I'm excited about that. Let me know if this will actually be my first time seeing any NCT unit in general. Let me know down below if that's the same case for you, if this will be your first concert. But I am excited to see them in September. It's gonna be fun. So this is Moonlight, and I believe this is... earlier my brain was like, Moonlight. No, they already have a track named Moonlight, and it's this one. And it's a Japanese release, so I'm excited to hear it. Because sometimes, the Japanese releases can have a different tone of sound. Like 127, some of their stuff, it's very much still them, like Chain and Gimme Gimme are my two favorite Japanese releases of theirs. But I'm excited to check out Dream here. And again, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to comment and like this video. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. And let's get into Moonlight. I have broken melodies stuck. We probably do not. Oh, we do have captions. Okay. I'm surprised.
Yeah.
I know their last Japanese release was Best Friend Forever, correct? Hear this chord, wall, sound. Love it. Chunla. Congratulations to Jamin on his to narcissism. Oh, Runjin. Get better, hun. Just a wall. I love that, walls of sound. H-Chun was on top there, but I think... Oh, Renjin. Let's go. Take us home. I need to check out their, I need to do it for Winter 7 too, sorry. Chunla. Jesus. Sing it, honey. Sing. This was cute. Very much to the world in the dream. To the world. You are NCT. I like that a lot. It's gonna get some plays. I enjoyed all of these music videos today, but again, let me know your thoughts down below. Like this video, share this video, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Helps me out. Again, my links will be down in the description, including my Twitter. Trying to be more active on there, but sometimes it doesn't happen, but I'm excited to see Dream in September, so can't wait for that. Ooh, off of, I didn't say it, but off of this last mini album, the Dreamscape, all of those tracks are excellent, but I have to say, I guess I've been listening to Unknown and the intro a lot. I Can't Feel Anything. Those two in particular. I do like Carrot Cake, and Box is also very good. Like I said, the whole mini album was just chef's kiss. But you know, let me know your thoughts down below, your biases again. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.